Good afternoon. Today I want to talk about leading indicator 4.2. Data are analyzed, interpreted, and used to regularly monitor progress towards achievement goals for individual students. This is done in several different ways. It's a constant process. It doesn't have to be okay. We've taken a big test. The data can be okay. The teacher asks the student to come back, ask a couple of questions considering whatever topic they're covering, and if they got it, then that's good enough. And then, of course, we have data meetings regularly. At the beginning of the year, our kids take the beginning of the year in class and I-ready tests, and then that information is shared with the teachers. We have information, or we have data meetings regularly, once a month, or as needed, sometimes more often than that, in which this is what the data is showing. This is what the child needs to work on. How are we going to address it? What are some different tools we can use? What are some different some methods we can use? What's working for one, and we try to keep those shared together. The team that meets for data is my two coaches, my math coach, my reading coach, my counselor, and myself, and then we call our teachers in one at a time, since we only have one per grade, and we have always get a sub, and the sub goes to the class so that we can talk to the teacher individually most of the time. That way we don't have to stay after school. But we go over everything pretty thoroughly. I have noticed one of the things that has been pretty effective, that I have witnessed, that we have incorporated. I'll call him back. But one of the things that I have noticed, that when we have those students that when they monthly take those tests, and they move from, say, red to yellow, and yellow to green, and green to blue, we have the child come in and move their name to the next level. We have all that set up, and that gives the kids a big sense of accomplishment when they get to do that. So that's one way we use data, is to kind of prod or give encouragement, and have the kids be a part of that too, as they improve their test scores, and as they progress through the proficiency scales. The proficiency scales are very useful for data. It specifically names the parts, the actual things that they need to achieve to maximize their student achievement, and it's been very effective, I think, for us. I think people, especially my age, probably at one point pretty scared of data because I didn't know anything about it. But once you get into it and see, you can use it. You don't have to have guesswork. Okay, this child needs to work on. If we're talking about grammar, they're struggling with using adverbs or conjunctive adverbs or whatever, and therefore that makes it okay. I need to work with this student specifically on this skill, and if they've got that skill, then you don't need to have them waste a bunch of times once they've proven they have that skill. So I think data has really improved our method of instruction, and it's been good for us here at Bryan. That's about all I got. Thanks.